Hi everybody, welcome back to another food review and vlog channel. My name is Nick Manzione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, folks, a little, special announcement for you. Today is actually Wednesday, September 26th. But I want to welcome back to a special edition of Subway Sundays because Subway released a brand new sandwich this week. Yay! So this is a brand new product from Subway, and I can't wait to do this. So I want to welcome you back to another edition of Subway Sundays, a new edition of Subway Sundays, and I'm so excited for this. I'm pumped up. I hope you're pumped up too. If you guys don't know, Subway Sundays is where I go to Subway every week or thereabouts and explore the Subway menu. Well, this week they do have something new. Yay! They got it. Woo! Woohoo! So let's explore this because I'm quite nervous, but I'm quite excited. I got butterflies in my stomach right now, and maybe because I'm starving right now. But let's see what this is. Got my napkin. That's good. Let's open her up a little bit. And let's move this down a bit, like, and I guess. Okay. So let's unleash the power of Subway. And it got squished a bit, but here it is, folks. Oh my God! This is the brand new Chipotle, or what is it? The Chipotle cheese. The Chipotle cheesesteak. Oh my God! This smells incredible, and this looks amazing. This is on the all-new sunflower crunch bread. So I'm excited. I'm only gonna eat half right now and save the other half for dinner later on tonight. But let me open up my Powerade. Woo-hoo. There we are. Take a look at that. Oh, that's good. Okay. So this has steak, shredded mozzarella cheese, spinach, cucumber, onions, banana peppers, and everything you can name of except for the jalapenos. I left off the jalapenos because the jalapenos would be too hot. But let's take a bite into the Subway Chipotle cheesesteak and let's see how it is. Wow. I don't know if you can see inside, but let me take this bite. Wow. Look at the steak. Wow, the bread is good. It's sunflower bread. It's very earthy and very earthy and very homegrown. It's fresh. Mm. The steak is really good here. And the cream, all the other flavors brings out the power of the steak, and it's very good. It's seasoned very well. Wow. Mm. And you can see how the other flavors mesh with the steak. The steak is seasoned very well. It's very good. Oh man. Okay. So the issue I had with Subway steak, when I did the steak and cheese wrap, is that it wasn't seasoned, it wasn't properly seasoned, and it wasn't good. This, on the other hand, is night and day. With this steak, I don't know if this is something new. They just came out with the new formula steak, but it's very good. The Chipotle sauce too, very smirky, very earthy. Mm. And there's something spicy in it. I think it's the Chipotle sauce. It's very spicy too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's very good. Wow. And you can see, let's just take the steak for a minute and see this. Okay. On its own, the steak is okay. But when you mix it with the flavors of the vegetables and the sauce, it kicks it up 10 notches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a boom at 10. Well, that's a 5, but you get what I'm saying. Mmm. The bread is fresh. Well, it seems like it's fresh. Everything is good. So let's rate this on the scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being awful and 10 being awesome. I'm going to give the brand new Subway Chipotle cheesesteak a rating of, this is going to be tough, but I think this gets a 9.5 out of 10. Why it isn't a 10, let me tell you. Because I think the steak by itself needs a little bit more, but the steak with everything else combines it very well. So this is steak alone bumps it back down to a 9.5, but when you combine everything, or it bumps it down to a 9, and then when you combine everything, this gets a 9.5. I encourage you to try this sandwich. It's only around for a limited time only, so go to your local Subway, get yourself the Chipotle cheesesteak. You will not be disappointed. I promise you that, folks. Man, that's good. Well, folks, I'm going to go finish this. I want to thank you for joining me. That will do it for another edition of Subway Sundays. Thank you for joining me, folks. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, folks, from the Food Lab, this is Nick Manzione signing off. And this concludes another edition of Subway Sunday. I will see you next Sunday for another edition of Subway Sundays. Take care, bye.